So we're back at the house. It's, what the heck day is it? Tuesday. It's Tuesday night and I'm back at the house with my dad. My husband has some classes to go to, so we've got like a couple hours to try and do a couple projects. Up first is we're gonna try and clean out this gutter and then put it back on because we need the gutter to be working and it is clogged. Like it's compacted with roots and dirt. So we're gonna try our best to get what's out, like what's stuck. I mean, you pick the thing up, it's like 50 pounds and it's a gutter. So it should weigh like nothing. So we're gonna try and fix that just for now, so that like we're getting a new roof, so we don't want the new roof to get ruined by our gutters that don't work.
There we go. Alright, so that's that.
Jeez.
What?
It's just crazy that it was like this. And
yeah, nobody cared.
yeah. We're doing it. You're doing a great job. Oh my god. It's coming out in like one solid piece. I think you could probably, yeah, you're getting it out. Yep.
Pull that back out. Keep pushing it through.
Okay, I'll put it on the list.
Good for now.
Gutters are done. Up next, my kitchen sink is leaking underneath, so my dad's gonna be fixing that. Well, I put paint samples on the wall. I have here a Benjamin Moore sample of Swiss coffee, which is a very popular Benjamin Moore color. You can't really tell. You'll be able to tell better when I put this sample on the wall. This is gray. It's very warm toned out here, so to have this like cool tone gray on the walls, it kind of plays with your eyes a little bit. It is a warmer tone gray, it's not awful, but I think this will look better. Paint sample.
Here's the stuff on the floor.
Thank you.
I can't see that.
Hold on. Do it where you can see it. See how much brighter that is?
Yeah.
I'll do it where you can see it. This is like crazy how much brighter this is.
It almost looks yellow in there, the old paint.
Yeah, that's why I want to get, this is a warm white too. It looks bright white against this, but it's actually a nice warm white. I think it'll brighten the space way up.
trim in the wall.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
Well, they used it to secure that, I guess. I don't know what the heck they did.
It's so dumb. Okay. Find new and exciting things about this house every day.
Alright, more garbage.
Take it off.
Look in there, huh?
The whole vanilla. That's going in the trash.
Yes.
So what we're doing in here and why we're opening the wall is because I mentioned before that we're gonna get a stack washer and dryer. So this also was just open like this in the wall, and it is supposed to look a lot nicer than this. My dad, being a plumber, was just like not pleased with this. So this is gonna get moved over here. It's gonna be cleaned up, it's gonna look a lot nicer. So everything is going to be hidden behind the washer and dryer. So our washer and dryer is going to go on this side, stacked, and then our pantry is going to go on this side. So the plumbing needs to be shifted over into this bay instead of this one, which we've got plenty of room to do. So everything on this end is going smoothly. So this is good to go. But over where the furnace vent is, we've added some more stuff to the to-do list. So over here in this like little hole to nowhere, this is right underneath our furnace. And right now they have the filter installed right at the bottom of the furnace, and it's not exactly the right way to do it. So we're replacing this return vent, but this little opening needs to be insulated and ideally sheetrocked so it doesn't get super gross inside like it is now, which means we have to go inside the utility room and do some stuff inside there as well. So we come inside our utility room, and this right underneath here is where we need to get access to insulate and sheetrock. So thankfully, the water heater, well, I mean, it's not thankfully, but the water heater needs to get replaced anyways. We're going to be opting for a tankless water heater, and it's going to go on the wall over here. So we're going to have all this room right here for storage, and we're trying to like, you know, neaten it up in here and make it look a little nice. There's a big hole in the back that needs to be sheetrocked. So this is going to get removed. This half of the pedestal that they built is going to be not necessary, so we're going to get rid of this. This is going to become just a straight wall from this corner down, and we're going to take this front piece of sheetrock off so we can actually get inside this little hole and insulate and sheetrock it, because this is our exterior wall. So basically we're leaching heat out our exterior wall because it's not insulated in this little box. So all of that to make everything a bit more efficient in here, cleaner, and just the way it should have been done. So it's a lot of little projects, the little tasks added to our to-do list, but nothing that's gonna be outside of our realm of capabilities, and you guys will see, hopefully, that stuff get done within the next 2 months. Wow, the lighting in the kitchen is really bright. So that's gonna be it for tonight. It's about probably 7 p.m. we got some stuff's done, added more stuff to the to-do list, prepped for some other projects. That's kind of the name of the game of this whole thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know if I'm going to tack this onto another vlog or make it its own vlog. I know it's probably going to be a little short, but let me know if you guys don't mind more frequent, shorter renovation vlogs, or if you'd like longer, less frequent vlogs.